Very pleased to announce that we want to revive the leadership lectures, which have been such a feature of our programs in the past. And on this occasion, I'm delighted to announce that on the 5th of June, we have, in concert with the celebrations around our admission ceremony on the following day, on this occasion it will be on the topic of global citizenship. We have two outstanding speakers lined up. One is Professor John Meara from Boston. John is an oral and maxillofacial surgeon who has been particularly influential in the realm of global citizenship. In fact, he was the co-chair of the Lancet Commission. In addition to that, we have Dr. David McAdam, who has spent his entire career in rural Africa, and he will be able to give very much a boots-on-the-ground view of the provision of surgical care in the African bush for the first of this new series on the President's Lecture Series.